This is a Rubik's Cube, this is a baseball, and today we're gonna see if I can solve a Rubik's Cube faster than I can strike somebody else. Let's see what we got. Can I do it? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this is way more intense when I'm not doing it. Like for fun. Oh, brother. All right, quick, come on, move fast. There, boom. Boom.
Ball!
Oh man, 3-0.
Strike!
3-1. No, come on. No. I'm choking. I don't think I got it.
Ball! Ball 4.
There. Oh. Ball 4. Man out first. Get there. Gotta get a strikeout. Let's go, please. Fast.
Strike!
1. 0-1.
Strike!
0-2. Come on. Get there. Get him on a slider. Come on.
Ball!
Get there. Oh, just low. 1-2. Can I get it? Ooh. Oh, fastball. Uh-oh.
Ball!
2-2. I gotta move. I gotta move. Finish him. Right here. Curveball.
Strike!
Done. Subscribe.